Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing the complex and debatable topic of artificial intelligence and its impact on workforce and society. The idea of AI has been around for centuries, with some of the first recorded ideas documented as far back as ancient Greek civilization. As technology has advanced, so too has the development of AI, allowing us to explore and develop ideas in unimaginable ways. Let's begin by exploring the impact on workforce and society that AI has already had. To put it bluntly, AI has already led to job displacement and redundancies. AI has disrupted the traditional working market, with many jobs now taken by automated systems, leaving some people without work. This means that the traditional career ladder has been replaced, requiring a new set of skills for finding successful employment in this new job market. Tasks, roles, and jobs at risk. Tasks that are monotonous can be easily automated. This can gradually make certain roles obsolete. For instance, tasks and activities related to customer care/call center operation, document classification, discovery and retrieval, and content moderation are more and more based on technology and automation, and less on human work. The same is true for roles related to the operation and support of production lines and factories. Humans are being replaced by smart robots that can safely navigate space, find and move objects, such as products, parts, or tools, or perform complex assembling operations. Sectors that will be impacted. Transportation is already in a transformation mode. Fully autonomous cars will be soon a reality, and they will be safer, more efficient, and more effective. Professional drivers, taxis, trucks, and more will see the demand for their skill set dropping rapidly. Electronic commerce will also undergo a significant transformation. Fulfillment centers will be fully automated, with robots navigating the space to collect products and execute customer orders, to be then sent or even delivered to customers, also automatically, with autonomous drones and/or cars. Financial services, insurance, and any other sector requiring a significant amount of data processing and content handling will also benefit from AI. And of course, states, governance, and social mechanisms. AI can have a great role in eliminating bureaucracy, improving the service to citizens, along with the design and performance of social programs. AI and society. In the long run, we will witness certain roles and jobs becoming less and less relevant, and finally obsolete. But, in most cases, artificial intelligence will have a supportive role to humans, empowering the human factor to perform better in handling complex and critical situations that require judgment and creative thinking. In parallel, there would be numerous new roles and specialties with a focus on technology and science. For example, there will be a need for highly skilled professionals to oversee or manage or coordinate the training of complex artificial intelligence systems to ensure their integrity, security, objectivity, and proper use. And following the initial disruption due to technological unemployment, the AI revolution will lead to a new era of prosperity, creativeness, and well-being. Humans will no more need to perform routine, limited-value jobs. The workforce and the underlying employment models will move from long-term, full-time employment agreements to flexible, selective premium services offerings. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos.